Hey y'all, this just a quick thingy that I just my numbers that pop up, floating numbers. All I can call them is floaties because I don't know what to explain them as, except for what they say it's dyslexia. So let's just floating dyslexia. Let's just name it that. Um, so I'm sitting here and I'm trying to figure out why did I get these floating numbers. I get frustrated, guys, because I don't know what it means, and I have to figure it out and why I keep seeing them. And anyway, when I was smaller, it was more manageable because I thought that it was a game, it was a toy. It kept me occupied because I was a loner as far as I was the last child, so I had to play with me and me. Everybody was much older. But anyway, back to the subject. Sorry for the Dr. Phil moment. Anyway, so I was like, well, where did 714 come from? I couldn't figure out. I applied the date, and this is the date. I multiply it by 3, then I multiply it by 6, then I multiply it by 9. The 369, the Trinity right there. So nothing from 7-4 workout was present. Not like. So this is what I'm saying. Sometimes the date works and sometimes they don't. But it did for the. It works out somewhere in here, okay? But that's not what I'm trying to tell you guys. I don't know. But so anyway, I went ahead and did the multiplication, did the workout. And something still wasn't adding up. It kept floating 708. Well, 708 was the last number that fall. I was like, what's 708 have to do with anything? I know it's the last number to fall, but I still can't find the correlation between that and 714. So y'all look at this. I kid you friggin' not. It's going to blow your mind, okay? So I did the Trinity, the 369, right? And I was like, okay, I'm going to mirror that 2 to just mirror the first number on the 3 because it's cash 3. So I said, I'll just mirror that. And of course, it was 714. So that's kind of a coincidence. It didn't sit right with me. So anyway, then I went over here and then I just kept looking. And so this big red 4 keep popping up. That's the only way I could describe what I saw. So I just went, I said, let me see what cash 4 has, And y'all, if we